Oh, hey there. I hope you can hear me. I hope the wind's not, ruining everything that I'm saying right now. Lord, I apologize. Your wind is beautiful. It feels actually really good because I'm sweating really, really bad. I'm sweating profusely, to be completely honest with you. Anyways, Hanging Rock, North Carolina. It's great, wonderful place. I'm sure you'll see on my social media some photos, horrendous photos, because I'm not a photographer. I just shoot pictures of things and poor quality, but yeah. I came on a solo adventure today just to go, just to go. I'm off for the week, so it was a good time to go hiking because I haven't been. Holy cow, without fail. As you can tell, I'm not good at walking and talking and holding a camera out in front of me. But I just wanted to wipe my face off because it's super muggy in North Carolina. I just wanted to make a quick video about the words that we speak, as this is a great teaching, great word to be speaking after all the babbling I'm doing. But anyways, the words that we speak, what are they doing? Are they edifying? Are they encouraging? Are they uplifting? Are they bringing life to others? Or are they tearing down? Are they bringing negativity into existence? Our words that we speak, though a lot of times we just look over them and we don't take into consideration what they're actually doing to others. The words that we speak are powerful. I mean, if you get into the Word of God and you really listen and take it in, the words that are in there are living. They're inspired, they're God-inspired, so they're beautifully written, and they're life to us. And the words that we speak in our everyday life, we can take those words that we're speaking or we're listening to from the Word of God and actually putting that into our life and living it out and speaking it in the things that we say and the things that we do. And the question is, are we doing that? I know in my life there's so many places that I could do better, but that was the thing that I really looked at today. I was reading and studying out of Proverbs chapter 10, and it just really hit me. What are we speaking? Like, what are the words that are coming out of our mouths? And the actions that we have, are they bringing life to others? And positivity, and actually taking the negatives that are in this world and we're replacing them with positive, God-inspired words? Or are we just going through the life and allowing the things that we face, our trials and our tribulations, our struggles, to determine how we act and how we speak? Or are we actually leaning on the Lord? Or are we actually leaning on God and looking at Jesus' example of what life is supposed to be? So I pray that encourages you. I know it encouraged me today. And yeah, go check out Proverbs chapter 10. It's full of awesomeness, full of wisdom and knowledge. Until next time, I love you guys and God bless.